Hi, this is John with MAcarbon, and today we're going to talk about an aspect of classic Mercedes that are often overlooked, and that is your windshield wipers. Now, for many years, Mercedes used Bosch stainless steel wipers, and when the blade wore out, you just replaced the rubber and kept the actual holders. Now, as things have progressed over many years, now the whole arm is just plastic and people throw it out and stuff. So what's happened a lot of times is people have taken the original stainless ones, tossed them, and replaced them with just plastic or, just a new thing. So if you want to get back to originality, you want to get back to the stainless wiper. Now, you can look for some used sets out there. There's definitely they exist. You can buy them brand new from Mercedes these days. There's still 800 sets or 400 sets, a lot of them in Germany, but they're $200 each. So not too many buyers for those. Now, we sell replicas. It is an anodized aluminum. Looks very similar to that original Bosch stainless setup. Now it comes with the fresh rubber, and even comes with a spare set of blades. So now we're going to show how to install it and replace these old ones. All right, now we're going to show you how easy it is to install. So go ahead and lift up your arm. You'll see there is at least on this set, there's a little tab here. There'll be something similar on yours. Press that down and it just releases. And then it comes out like that. Now, at this point, make sure to hold on to this arm or have something on the windshield. You don't want it snapping back. All right, so we can see here on our new one, we've got the tab here. So we simply insert that into there. Make sure that that clips in and set it down gently. And then we'll proceed to the next one. So we've successfully installed both blades, and it took only 2 minutes to do. We've gone from these old aftermarket wipers to now some nice brand new replicas that match the originals without the $400 price from Mercedes. So if your wipers are old or they're just old plastic pieces, give us a call and we'll get you out a new set and get your car back to looking original. Thank you very much. Now, if you enjoyed this information, please hit the subscribe button and you'll be kept updated on our latest carbon fiber and classic Mercedes videos. Thank you.